Good morning everyone. I am Dilshan Singh from class 4A with today's thought for the day. Harmony with the environment is the need of the hour. With discord, we will soon be left with nothing in our hands. I repeat, harmony with the environment is the need of the hour. With discord, we will soon be left with nothing in our hands. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Sharma from class 4A. Today's scripture is पर्यावरण नाशेन नश्यन्ति सर्वजन्तः पवनः दुष्टतां याति प्रकृति विघ्नतायते.
Good morning to all. I am Aditya Pandey from class 4A. Is here to present scripture meaning. Due to the pollution of our environment, all human beings are destroyed. The wind gets weakened and the nature becomes hostile. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. I am Jala Vinozon of class 4A and today's news headlines are as follows. Army helicopters NDRF take up rescue evacuation operation in flood hit Telangana. Senior IRS officer Krishna Kishore promoted as Chief Commissioner in Income Tax. ISRO on Thursday said it has completed 2 more hot tests on the Gaganyaan Service Module Propulsion System SMPS on Wednesday, July 26. Indian crew member killed as ship with 3,000 cars catches fire off Dutch coast. Samsung to make its most expensive phones in India. July was the hottest month ever, likely in 120,000 years.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Dipa Chaudhary from class 4. Today's sports news are as follows. India versus West Indies live score. First ODI Rohit Sharma runs against Shy Woodsman. Portugal beat Vietnam 2-0 for first World Cup win. Former Brazil player Olga arrested for allegedly failing to pay child support. Ukraine eases its supports boycott policy to compete against some Russians ahead of Olympics. Indian men's team play out 1-1 draw with Netherlands.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Some people
The planet Earth Earth has become sick and humans have the virus. It is we as a species have destroyed this beautiful planet at an alarming rate.
This is true. It is we who take more than we need and live without distraction.
Respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends, a very hearty morning and warm welcome to each and everyone.
I am Rishabh Bhargav
And I'm Bhargav Srivastava from class 4A, standing before you presenting today's morning assembly on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28 July every year to recognize that the healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and productive society and for future generations.
This day acknowledge that the healthy environment is the foundation for stable and healthy society.
So, here is Arpita Mukherjee with a very motivating poem on World Nature Conservation Day.
Good morning to one and all friends over here. I am Arpita Mukherjee from class 4A, going to recite the poem on World Nature Conservation Day. Beautiful givers, I look along the years, a note of nature, a bed and a song. Listen so closely, it may be gone. The wonderful feeling of rain, you tend to forget all your pain. Forest animals can breathe, but trees are all gone because of you. Have you ever looked nature's beauty? To protect them, it's our duty. Have you observed the dew of leaves? It gives us the life in leaves. Our world is always changing, constantly rearranging. Effects of global warming will take its toll. Everything will get destroyed. Everything will from oceans to mountain peaks. Mother Nature moves and speaks. Look around the beauty, where would you find peace? Let's conserve and preserve the nature for sustainable and bright future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Every morning is destiny's way of telling us that our purpose in life is yet to be fulfilled.
Let us appreciate the gift of nature and pray to God that we can change ourselves and work to conserve the nature.
Now I invite my friend Sakshan Tripathi to put forth his views on World Nature Conservation Day.
One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. The man comes with contact of nature right from birth, and it becomes important to conserve natural resources of earth. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Sakshan Tripathi standing before you to speak on World Nature Conservation Day. Let us know the importance of this day in everybody's life. Nature conservation means care and protection of natural resources of earth like air, water, minerals, plants, soil and wildlife so that they can preserve for future generations. Actually, World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated all over the world to create awareness about care and protection of natural resources and to pay attention on other environment issues. Dear friends, while protecting ourselves in this global crisis, let's remember to protect nature too. In this hustle bustle of life, we forget that our health, life, well-being, peace and progress all depends on natural world. Dear friends, let's save, protect and restore nature. Let's save water, use renewable energy, reduce plastic usage. My dear friends, choose any one because change begins at home. Dear friends, let us encourage community, participate protecting nature and celebrate World Nature